The manufacturing awareness course is aimed at companies who work closely with manufacturers. So companies who may be supporting manufacturing, who need to engage effectively with manufacturers. So that could be companies from the financial services sector, banking, legal companies, accountancy companies, even local government. Anybody who needs to work closely and really understand manufacturers and work with them better. Hopefully what people are going to be able to take away from the manufacturing awareness course is a totally new set of language so that they can speak the manufacturer's language, so they can engage much better with the manufacturer, that they can show empathy for the manufacturer, their issues, so they're much more customer aware about what the manufacturer needs in terms of support. The course covers quite a wide range of content. So we start by giving a very broad appraisal around what manufacturers do, the supply chain, the extended value chain within manufacturing. We then home in on the issues facing UK manufacturers. How do we improve manufacturing through techniques like lean? We take them on a factory visit so that they can really see some of this being applied in practice and they can look at the issues firsthand. And then lastly, we give them an understanding of manufacturing finance and the working capital cycle and some of the issues that manufacturers face. One of the things we actually want to do on the course is get people excited about manufacturing and manufacturing in the UK, to really get this feeling that manufacturing is an interesting place to work, that it's an exciting place and that there's real opportunities in UK manufacturing, particularly when you look at high value manufacturing where the UK can excel. So what we want is people to go away with that real enthusiasm that there's a sector there which really could do with support and help the people engage much better with manufacturing.